All right, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Right here we have our potatoes. And guys, I sliced them in halves like this. Now you can keep them whole if you want to. It's totally up to you. But I did them in like a half a chip type style. We have some melted butter, some grated Parmesan cheese. We have some thyme, smoked paprika, black pepper, seasoned salt, and a little olive oil here. So not many ingredients, but a delicious snack. Y'all ready? Let's get to it. Now this is a very simple, quick, and easy recipe. And we're gonna start off by adding a little olive oil here to our potatoes, along with some smoked paprika, some thyme, and some seasoned salt. And all we're gonna do is just get that a quick mix. Just like that. All right, let's continue. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pour our melted butter here in a 9x13 pan, just like that. We're gonna sprinkle our Parmesan cheese generously over the top of it like this. Now we're just going to sprinkle our pepper over the top of our Parmesan like this. Next we're going to take our potato slices and we're going to sit them here on top of our Parmesan mixture. All right, so now we have all our potatoes in our butter and Parmesan mixture. We're gonna transfer this over to our oven that we've already preheated to 400 degrees. We're gonna let this sit in the oven or let it cook in the oven for about 45 minutes, all right? So let's get them in the oven. All right, so we're 45 minutes in. I removed our potatoes from the oven. So we're gonna let this sit here for 10 minutes. This allows it to get more crispy and we're gonna come right back. All right, guys, look at what we have right here. Look at this, after 10 minutes, look at that. This, oh man, let's go ahead and get this plated up, man. That crispy Parmesan, man, I can't wait to bite into these. And there you have it, crispy Parmesan potatoes. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control. All right, let's bring our Parmesan Potato Crisps to the front of the congregation. Guys, take a look at this right here. Man, let's go ahead and give them a try right quick. Man, this is an excellent snack, man. I love crispy burnt Parmesan cheese too. This is like a quick late night snack. Definitely give it a try. Until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, now chef, cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.